Hi everyone, welcome back. Yes, welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper of Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, November the 23rd, 2021. We have here in this additional nine puzzles. First one is the puzzle a Sudoku with 1 star. Then we have a 2 stars, a 3 stars, and a 4 star Sudoku. Two tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star. Killer Sudoku, binary puzzle number 1, binary puzzle number 2. And those two puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 9 extra puzzles. First puzzle I will do is the 3 stars Sudoku. Number 3723. 3723. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. And for a 3 star Sudoku, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. So we will see if this is really a 3 stars or 4 stars. Yeah, I believe yesterday or the day before I had also a 3 stars. Well, took me longer than 30 minutes to solve. I believe 45 or 47, I don't know anymore. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about the 3 in this column? The 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. Cannot continue with the 3. How about the number? Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these two boxes. So one box left for the 5. Should be there. Alright. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9 in this big square, so no 9 in this box. Here 9, no 9 in that box, so one box left for the 9. Should be there. Alright. Then, let me see. How about these 4 missing numbers? Oh, no. Correction, let me do another. These 4 missing numbers in this big square. No. Wrong choice. Let me see. Yeah, 5 in this column. Third column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, only place for the 5. Should be there. Okay. Alright. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 909 in these 3 boxes. There 909 in those 3 boxes. So one box left for the 9. Should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 909 there, 9 should be there. Okay. Then I cannot continue with the 9. Let me see which number can I pick. How about 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 101 in these two boxes. There 101 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. 1 box left in this column for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Alright. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 and a 4 in this row. So no 2 and a 4 in these 3 boxes. The 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. Oh, right. So what are the other 3 numbers in this big square? Those numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 137, 137, and look, we have a 3 and a 7 in this column. So no 3 and a 7 in this box. The 3 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 7, 7 and a 3, okay. So 1 box left in this big square for number 1. Alright. Alright. 3 missing numbers in the first column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, 3, and the 4 is missing, 2, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. Here also a 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 2 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 6. Okay. Alright. Then. How about? Yeah. Think. 2, 6, 7. Yeah. Thinking. I'm thinking. Yeah. Okay. The 9 in this column. The 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see that 909 there. Here 909 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. Okay. And now I cannot continue with the 9. How about the 5 in this row, the 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So the row between, the only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 5. Right. 2 numbers left in there. In this row, 4 numbers, so 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, 7, and 8 is missing, 6 and the 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this middle column, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7. Should be there. And then we have a pair. 7. Wait. 7 and the 6 in this row. 7 in one of those two boxes and the 6 in one of those two boxes in this row. So the row below the last row. Oh no. We already have a 6 here. Almost made a mistake. Let me continue with this big square. The 1 is missing and the 2 is missing in this big square. 1 and the 2. Let me mark those. Alright. Okay. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row above, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here a 4 in one of those two boxes in this column. So no 4 in that box. So one box left for the 4 should be here. Okay. Alright. Let me see. 2 to 6 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. And 3, we have a 6 and a 3 in this column. So no 6 and a 3 in this box. These two boxes. The 6 and the 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 6 and a 3, we see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 there. So this box is going to be 6 and more. That box should be a 6. And this box should be an 8. One box left in this column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in the middle column for the number. So 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and the 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 2 and 8, of course. Yeah. 3 in the 3 in this row, 3 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 7. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 3. All right. How about? Yeah. 6, 2, 7. 1 box left in the second row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So the last column, only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. Yeah. 2, 4, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1. 2, 4, 1, 2. Okay. How about? I'm thinking. Yeah. Think. 6. 4. Go to 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So the last column, the only place for the 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 1. A 1 in the last row. 1 in the row above. So that row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this big square. For the numbers, for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the 7 is missing. Okay. About the 4, yes, and all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 4. Yeah. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 4. Number 7. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5 in the 6 is missing. 2 in the 6. Let me mark those. Here also 2 and the 6 in this column. And we have a pair, 2 and the 6. So what are the other 2 numbers? The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9. 8 and the 9. We have a 8 here, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Okay. So here also 2 and a 6. Here we have a pair. So the other 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers. So 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. Is missing. 9 is missing. 1 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, the 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers. The 2 and the 6. 2 and the 6. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. This box should be a 6. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be 6, and this box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 6. 2 and 8. 2 and 8. Now we have an 8 there, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. Find no 2 numbers in this big square for number, so 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku, a 4-star Sudoku. See you then. Bye bye for now.